how can I help you?
Hello. I would like to stay at your hotel.
Have you booked the room in advance?
No, but I hope you will find something for me.
Now I'll look. So, we have several free rooms. There is a suite, there is a single standard, and a double economy.
And what is the cost of the rooms?
The suite costs $30 per night. The standard room, $20 per night. And the economy, for two, $15 per person.
I would like to have a single room. I do not want to live with a stranger. I'll take the room for $30.
Good. We have a room with mountain view, and there is one with a view of the park. Which one would you prefer?
I really like greenery. I have a beautiful view of the forest from my window at home. And the mountains are not mine. I'm afraid of heights. Give me a room with a view of the park.
All right.
What about food?
Breakfast is included in the room price. Standard continental breakfast.
And where can I have lunch and dinner here?
There is a small restaurant on the first floor of the hotel. There you can eat at any time.
Great.
If everything suits you, please fill in the application form and write down all the data.
Here you are. Is it all right?
Yes, all is well. Here are the keys to your room. You will be taken to the room and shown how to use the devices.
Is there a minibar in the room?
Yes, there is. But you need to pay extra for everything there.
I see. And another question. I need to send a few emails today. Do you have the opportunity to do this?
Our hotel has free Wi-Fi. Moreover, we have a business center where you can not only send letters, but also print out everything that you need.
Great. Thanks for the info.
Have a nice rest.